Introducing the incredible 2021 Cupra Formentor E-hyb E-hybrid with 204 horsepower and loaded with amazing features. This 5-door auto beauty in sleek black is perfect for those who love luxury and performance. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, this car has it all. With safety features like collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check and comprehensive warranty, you can trust this vehicle's quality. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie to learn more about this amazing car before it's gone.